Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to create the Renaissance effect using Higgsfield AI, and this is what it looks like. Now in this Renaissance effect, your video would be a model portrait where you would see a bunch of eager um, art enthusiasts taking a picture. Now all you have to do to create this kind of effect is to go to higgsfield.ai, sign in or create an account, select app, scroll and choose Renaissance effect. Then you'll be brought to a page like this. Upload your image, switch this to video and click on generate video. Now if you look here, we'll see the original image that was uploaded. This guy really looks like okay, just upload your image in this area, and then your image would be transformed into this particular art where all these bystanders or enthusiasts can take a picture of. So this, it says it takes about 15 credits, or it costs about 15 credits, and this is not for you to panic over, because Higgsfield AI gives you a free credit which you can use to generate this particular effect, meaning that you can create this effect for free on a free account, just like that. So that's it guys. Let me know what you guys think about this video in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the next one. Do have a great day guys, and please subscribe to our channel. We want to push past 5,000 subscribers. Thank you very much.